Hey friends, Christmas is just round the corner and it is incomplete without a Santa. Let's decorate our houses for the Christmas party. So, today we will make a Santa riding a sleigh with its reindeers. For this we need to draw sleigh on a paper and cut it out. Now, we will trace it on a cardboard and cut to pieces for the same. Measure the edges from one center corner to other one as shown in the video. It came out to 11 inches. So we will cut a 3-inch wide and 11-inch long cardboard sheet and roll it as shown in the video. It looks something like this. Now we will start to assemble all these cutting by fixing it with the help of a glue gun. You can use any kind of other glue. After fixing all the sides, it looks something like this. As we can see, the edges are not even. So, we will paste some tissue paper over it. For this we need to add glue and water in same ratio and make a thin paste out of it. Now we will start pasting the tissues on the sides. You can skip this step if your edges are already clean and even. Done. Allow it to dry. Now we will start coloring it in red color. We will apply to coat of the color. You can also use red paper instead if you want to avoid coloring it. For that, just cut a red sheet in the shape of sleigh and paste it on the sides of it using a glue. Then allow it to dry. So this is the final look which we get. Now we will start decorating it using golden lace by pasting it on edges as shown in the video. Use golden paper strip at the bottom. Make some snowflakes using golden color and put some stones on it. You can decorate it any other style of your choice as well. It's ready. Now make a seat for Santa. So we will cut a small piece of cardboard and fix it using glue gun as shown in the video. It's time to make reindeers. For this, draw a sketch of reindeer and cut it out. Then trace on a cardboard sheet. Cut to pieces for the same. Put some Fevicol over it and cover it with a brown paper on both the sides. It's done. Make an outlining for the reindeers using black sketch pen and decorate it as per your choice. I am using white color to make some dots using backside of a brush. Now connect the two reindeers with the help of a small cardboard sheet as shown in the video. Hang some bells on the sleigh. Sleigh and reindeers are now ready, so we will quickly start making Santa. Cut a rectangle piece and join the sides as shown in the video. This becomes the body of the Santa. Now make a semicircle and cut it out. Fold it to make a cone shape that fits the body of the Santa. Now cut a long strip of cotton and paste it on the edge of the cap and a small portion on the top. Cover the lower body of the Santa with the cotton as well. Now join the two pieces with the help of glue as shown in the video. Now we will make face of the Santa. For this, draw a U shape on white paper and color it with brown and white color to make the face of the Santa. Cut it out and paste it on the body of the Santa Claus to make a face. Now make beard for the Santa by pasting some cotton on the outer corner of the face. Take a small piece of cotton and make mustaches of Santa as well. Draw eyes of Santa using black marker. Cut to small pieces of black paper to make boots of Santa and fix it with a glue. Make two small cones out of red paper to make the hands of Santa and paste some cotton over it. Fix it to the body using glue gun. Now place the Santa on the seat of sleigh. Attach the one edge of the lace to the hands of Santa and another edge with the reindeers. Do it for both the reindeers. Keep some gifts to distribute. And finally it's ready.
Ho ho ho!